Hi everyone, welcome to Flyerphics. In today's video, we're going to be looking at an app called File Manager Plus. The File Manager Plus is one of Android's most popular and best functionality app for file management on the Android phone. If you are a tech enthusiast or you just like having your files more organized and you don't have this app, you are actually missing out a lot. How do you get this app? Just go to your Play Store and type File Manager Plus and hit the enter button. Now you have to scroll down to this particular File Manager app and then you click install. After installation, click open. Now, the File Manager app has several options and functionalities. You have the main storage. The main storage contains all the files that are in your mobile device. You have the system file. The system file contains the root source of your file. You have the download file. The download section contains all the files you have downloaded to your phone. Now you have the image section. The image section contains all the image you have in your phone. So all the images in your phone are put together in a particular file called the images. Now you have the audio section. The audio section contains every piece of audio file that exists in your phone. Also, we have the video sections and the document sections, the app sections, the new file section, and the three functionality tools below: the cloud, the remote, and the access from network. Now you can actually upgrade your File Manager app to the premium version to give you more functionality. You will be charged 1,460 naira if you are from Nigeria, or that can be converted to your own currency depending on your country. You will be charged this yearly until you cancel your subscription. Previous charges will not be refunded when you cancel unless it is legally required. Now, if you don't want to go for this particular yearly subscription of 1,460 naira, you can actually go for a one-time purchase of this app for 6,590 naira. This means you are purchasing this app and you don't have to be renewing every year. Now, when you have this app, if you went for the one-time purchase, you're going to be having full access to the premium features in this app. That means there will be no advert, and also you can get a dark theme for this app. Now let's look at how some of the app features look like. Now the main storage lists all the files in your phone. Okay, now the system folder lists all the root files that you won't normally see in your normal file manager. The download section contains every single file you've downloaded from the browser into your phone, or files you saved from Telegram into your phone in the download folder. Now the audio section contains, like I said before, your audio files. The video sections contains your video files. Very neat interface. The document section contains your document files. Very neat and accessible interface. Now this app has a wonderful feature: folder that contains all your apps on your phone. From this place you can actually uninstall an app, or you can actually launch an app. Now this feature is very important, the new files feature. Now most times when people download new files to their phone, it becomes difficult for them to locate where these files are. Now with this new files feature on this app, you can easily locate the latest file or the newest file that you've got saved in your phone. So whether you downloaded the file from WhatsApp, or you downloaded the file from Telegram, or you downloaded the file from the internet, all you have to do is come to new files in your File Manager Plus app and you are going to see there. This is one of the things that makes this app stands out. So we have the cloud feature on this app. We are not going to be going in full detail into these features, these advanced features, but I'm going to create a different video, and I will explain to you how the cloud works, how this cloud feature works, and how you can have your emails here just like you see me having my own emails, and how you can have your Google Drive connected directly to this app. So from this app you can actually access your Google Files without having to go through the Google Drive app. It's actually very seamless and has a very beautiful and direct interface. So from this place you can actually add more accounts. You can add a Dropbox account, a Google Drive account, a OneDrive account, a Box account, a Nextcloud account, and a Yandex account. Now you can also add remote locations to this app. Like I said before, I'm not going to cover the details of these features, so I'm going to create a new video where I will explain how these different features work. If you want me to create a video to explain these features, I want to see you drop a comment and tell me yes, I'm interested. And also, if you like this video so far, I would like you to give me a thumbs up, like the video, drop a comment, and of course click on the subscribe button so that more people will see this video, and also turn on the bell notification so that you will get prompted when we make more videos like this. So now let's continue. On the remote location feature, you can actually add a local network. I'll explain this extensively if I got to do the video when I see your comments. And we also have the SMB remote network that you can add, remote location, and of course you can add an FTP remote location, SFTP, and a WebDAV remote location. On this app also, you can actually access your PC directly. Okay, now you can connect your PC to this app using this access from network feature on this app, and your files will be displayed on your PC like this. Okay, I'm going to show you a screen of how it looks like, your whole files and your phone, your file manager, displaying directly on your PC, so that you have a taste of how it will look like when it's on your phone. Now all you have to do is, which of these videos should I make first? Should I make the cloud, the video on the cloud, or the remote, or the access from network? Tell me in the comment section, and I'm going to do that next. So this app is an amazing app. With this app you can copy your files, you can cut your files, you can move your files, you can rename your files. It has inbuilt image viewer, inbuilt zip extractor. Okay, you can actually zip your files easily using this app. Like I said, you can play music, you can watch videos, and you can do a whole lot of things using this app. If you've not downloaded this app, head on to Play Store right now and download it. Now let me show you something under settings. So let's explore settings. Now on settings, we have the default apps tab. Now the default apps tab here, you can set the default app for PDFs. All right, now I have mine set as Drive. You can set the default tab, the default app for package installers, for APKs, and so forth. So this is where you can set your default instead of going to your settings. Now, like I said, built-in app, it has an image viewer, it has video player, music player, editor, and you can decide to toggle on the recycle bin on or off also. Now you can also show system storage, all right, and then you can also show that navigation icon. It has a lot of amazing features that you can actually use, to customize your file exploring experience. There's another amazing thing about this app, all right, is the hide and unhide feature. So down here you see show hidden items. Now when I click on that show hidden items, it's going to hide, it's going to show hidden files, and when I unclick it, it's going to hide hidden files. So with that feature, you can actually see files that you wouldn't normally see on your normal file browser. So if you love this video, let me hear from you in the comment section. Remember, there are amazing things you can do with this app. We did not actually go deep into most of the features, because most of the features are similar to the features you use on your everyday file manager app. So we are more interested in those advanced features, all right, the cloud, the remote, and the access on network, because you don't see those kind of features most of the time in many apps. I mean, with that feature, you can actually transfer files from your laptop to your phone, all right, seamlessly without having to go through, Sender and so on and so forth. All right. So with the app, you can actually do a whole lot of things. All right. So I want to tell me in the comment section, what feature do you want me to explain and talk about next? Meanwhile, if you've not downloaded this app, you are actually missing out. Head on to Google Play Store and download File Manager Plus and start using it today. Remember, this is not a paid advert. I'm just reviewing this application, and so far, like I was saying, it has been awesome. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.